Up next in the Robert Tellis murder trial, the newly selected jury in the case will actually be hearing opening statements as early as tomorrow morning.
The disgraced Clark County politician accused of stabbing investigative newspaper reporter Jeff Gehrman to death. 8 News Now investigator Kyle Payne had a front row seat for 2 long days of jury selection.
It was extremely slow going all day Monday and well into Tuesday afternoon. But after lunch, things heated up when Judge Michelle Levitt brought in a new set of potential jurors. By the end of the day, she sat 14 jurors, 7 men and 7 women, who will decide Robert Tellis's guilt or innocence. Leading up to a jury finally being seated Tuesday, well after 5 p.m., there were several considerable delays in Judge Levitt's courtroom both Monday and Tuesday. Tuesday afternoon, the prosecutors were able to do somewhat of a deep dive on the jurors' opinions on the criminal justice system, the media, and social media. We found out that one of the potential jurors knew Tellis personally, and another grew up with Tellis's lawyer's children. Examples of the excuses potential jurors gave in saying they might not be suitable to sit in judgment: a language barrier, sleep apnea, short-term memory loss, a man driving his daughter to college, and one woman who lost her spouse, broke down in tears, and left the courtroom sobbing. It was a dramatic moment, to be certain. And one rather dramatic moment just a few minutes before court ended in the context of Tellis claiming he was framed for Gehrman's murder, which we may hear in Wednesday's opening statements. Tellis's attorney asked a prospective juror whether police make mistakes. She answered yes, and some others on the panel nodded their heads. Then the attorney asked that juror whether police officers could be liars, and that juror said, quote, "Anyone can be a liar." Reporting at the Regional Justice Center, Kyle Payne, 8 News Now.
Now, jury selection took a day and a half. The trial could be in the jury's hands by the end of next week. Tellis facing life in prison if he is convicted. And 8 News Now will bring you daily live coverage of the trial. Our investigative team will have reports starting at 12 noon, continuing right through the afternoon and evening newscasts.